Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can make cinnamon potato soup for facial, and it can clear acne and pimples and also hyperpigmentation. All you need is a glycerin soap bar or any soap bar of your choice. You cut the soap into cubes and microwave it for 30 seconds for it to melt. Next, you get a potato, you wash it and you blend it. You take the juice from it, add your cinnamon powder to the potato juice and stir very well. So as you keep stirring, you add your milk powder. I'm using cow milk powder. You add it to the mixture and you stir very well. Add the potato juice, milk and cinnamon powder mixture to your melted soup. Then you stir the mixture together so that everything will mix very well. Potato can lighten skin. Cinnamon can clear pimples, acne and blemishes. Pour the soap into your silicone mold and let it sit for 30 to 1 hour so that it becomes hard. Then you pop it out. This soap is very powerful. It can clear acne from your face, pimples, dark spots and blemishes. Add a little water to the soap and apply on your face for 15 minutes. Wash it off with warm water. Use day and night for faster results. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos and leave me a comment. Bye bye.